Double here, and the last time we tried beating the boss... Why am I doing that? We tried beating... I tried walking while pushing B, doing that. Last time we tried beating the boss, but he stole our body. We teamed up with one of the Shadow Sirens, Vivian, after saving her, and she said that we can talk to birds, or eavesdrop on birds, so let's try that. I've been really depressed lately, thinking about the depletion of fossil fuels. Is this an environmental game now? Yeah, tell me about it. Gotta come up with a renewable energy source before that happens. Like wind or hydroelectric. I think solar energy probably has the greatest potential. What the fuck's that have to do with anything? Maybe this guy's like a huge fossil fuel burner. Maybe we can find some better crows. Oh, here's some. Don't think... No, you need to have that. So I was chatting with Rot back in Mushroom Town on Instant Messenger yesterday. On Bird's the Instant Messenger. And he said he'd just gone fiber optic in his home network. You believe that? Rad. I bet he's downloading 100 meg apps with no problems on those fat pipes. What the fuck? He's probably surfing that Feather Club for Crows site at the speed of light now. Yeah, it just blows me away, all this information age hype you hear about it. And yet it's all games and feather loss sites that are driving the technology. Yeah, but I think tech bus survivors can thrive if they get viable business models. Now the main reason I'm actually doing this is because I know they have funny dialogue, and I've never actually talked or listened to the crows. Because I know what I'm supposed to do. I actually discovered it back. This crow's by himself. What's he gonna say? Okay, there. By the way, if you talk to them normally, they'll just come. Alas, this twilight world is too full of pain and contradiction, too full of broken dreams. Perhaps I was only given wings so that I could flee the terror of manatee. I was trying to make that sound like a Romeo and Juliet line because it started with alas, but I failed. Hey, Maudie, listen to this. Ronnie, my oldest, is taking the SATs this year. This line is kind of stupid, to be honest. I mean, unless you're in the US or know the educational system there, you don't know what SATs are. Like, I barely know what SATs are. Oh, is little Ronnie that age already? Well, bless my feathers, Flo. Like, I have no idea what age you first take your SATs. Like, in Canada, you have FSAs in grade 4 and 7. Then you have regular final exams and stuff, grade 9, 10, 11, 12. And you have provincial exams, grade 10, 11, and 12, depending on which classes and stuff. But I have no idea how the American educational system is, or British, or anything. But, okay then. Oh, what? Why is it working all the way over here? Maybe we should try talking to that lady in there too, see if she says anything. So that Mario guy meeting with the mayor, he's actually the bad guy, right? And nobody even knows. Humans are so dumb, it makes me want to peck their noses. You can. The only soul that knows that bad guy's name is locked under the creepy steeple, I hear. Because, you know, if no one knows your name, then you can use unstoppable magic. But if someone says your real name to you, then your magic will stop working. So I wonder how all this is gonna end up then. Did you hear that? If we search under the creepy steeple, maybe we can find out that guy's real name. Let's go to the creepy steeple. Wow, someone actually gave us useful information. Instead of talking about fossil fuels and SATs and... Really? What the fuck? I don't even... So... Yeah, let's just go... And I'm just showing you that this happens every time, blah blah blah. So, this is the one who stole your name and body. He looks sort of familiar to me. Alright, can the chat. Here's the deal. You get what? You get your chance, then I stomp you. If you guess my real name, you get your body and your name back. Fire away, no name. Still wonder why the P's missing. What happens if you... just a space, okay. Well, let's see if he has the same reaction. Who would name their kid that? Especially after he said Mario, what a great name. Wrong demanda, little nobody. Who named their kid that? Prepare for doom, slick. He actually says that for no matter what name you give him. Even if, because his name obviously has a P in it. I mean, why would they just not have P there? So if you do know his name, which I do, well, you're required to do this. He must have been hiding there in ambush waiting for you to show up. Well, forget him. Let's go get your name back. The only reason I'm honestly still talking is just because I'm explaining things. I will cut in a few seconds, but even if you know his name and put it in all caps, because all the capital letters were there if you notice. So if you know his name and put it in all caps, it won't work. It has to be first letter capital, rest lowercase. So yeah, that's really annoying, especially when he says, who named their kid that? And it's like, your name is that, but I'll be right back. That's not what I wanted to do. Actually, now would be a good time to show off Vivian. So she can use Shade Fist on any character, or on anyone, and basically what happens is it will burn no matter what. You get these like 4 things, I guess, and it sort of does fail. But you have to hit the correct button, basically. And Veil, I'd suggest if you're going to use it, you use Mario first, and you're about to see why. Probably should have attacked Nitro Power Goomba or whatever it's called. But Veil, you get, yeah, button combination. Oh shit! Bad turn to use that. And yeah, so be right back, I guess. Okay, let's heal. And let's head under the creepy steeple. So let's go under the well, or into the well, because there was a door here. Oh shit! Vivian! Kinda want to get that badge. Because red are always badges. Get off me. You know what? BAM! I'll be right back when this room's clear. Okay. Invincible, hit the box, get the tornado jump. Okay. They can't make it to here, apparently. Oh, wait. What am I doing? So what's tornado jump actually do? I don't recall ever actually getting that. Where this use tornado jump, 3 FP is required to, and pushing C down. C down just not getting there. I don't even know what the C stick normally does in game, so can't say if it's just like glitching there. How many do I have now? 5, wow. Can upgrade Vivian. Wee do 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 do. Good thing this guy didn't take away our curses and upgrades because I need them. But good. I didn't even remember that. I thought there was another room over here. But we're up here, and there's the locked door. Hopefully there's some way for us to go down. Oh my god, there is! Good morning, good morning. Pretty bird, pretty bird. Yeah, fuck you. The letter P! Steeple key! Probably for that door right there. Power plus! Mr. Softener, I don't even like Mr. Softener. So I believe for this bird it's the exact same as the crows. Squawk? What happened to those weirdos who were just here? Oh, whatever. It's almost nice to have some company. I mean, no matter how important it is that no one knows his real name, locking me up in here just because I know it, making me guard the name's stupid missing letter. No way to treat a parrot. I like how this game's so aware, like it's a missing letter on a select screen. I really want a cracker, Doopliss. You're a big meanie when's feeding time, huh? So that's his name. Doopliss. And yes, it needs to be spelled exactly like that on the name selection. Has to have caps exactly like that. You come up. Ah, pretty bird, pretty bird. It's weird how people don't seem to see like Mario do that. We heard that. We heard you, little birdie. Doopliss, that's his name. Now let's go get your name and body back from that meanie. And we'll teach him a lesson or two while we're at it. I believe the original way I actually discovered this, I think I said I always knew. If I said, I guessed, or I learned myself or something, I'm lying. Basically, I had no idea what you were supposed to do with that parrot. I thought just talking to him enough, and then I got bored, so I looked it up on probably GameFAQs. One of those sites, GameFAQs, or IGN, or I don't know. I don't even think you can get back the way we came, to be honest. Yeah, as well. So, be right back. I really hate this. This chapter's just gonna be, honestly, I'm just gonna talk. No, I hate that. Always happens. I'm gonna run here though, but I think the main bulk of this chapter is backtracking, because as soon as we get his name, we're gonna have to backtrack again to the creepy steeple, go back to the room he's at, or was at originally, and okay, fight him. And yes, he is the actual boss. I'm giving spoilers, I guess, kind of, I don't know. So, be right back, and that's a really weird place to do that because it won't go behind me there. Okie dokie. Hey, what's up, Slick? Been waiting for you. Hey, Slick, time to cancel your magazine subscriptions because you're getting erased. But first, please amuse me with one more guess. It really gives me joy to watch you squirm and futile as you try to guess my name. So, hit me one more time. If you get it wrong, you can come back. You can do this. So it's D. O. P. L. I. S. S. Now, if you're not sure about, like, double characters and stuff, like, you forget, it's supposed to take the whole space. I wonder what would happen if you named your Yoshi Doopliss. What did you just say? It can't be a pixely mess. No, why, how, I feel like pain. Wrong way. Oh, her tail's all striped. I never noticed that. Maybe it's just glitching. Now it's your turn. Let's get your name and body back. Where would he go to hide? Is it always like that? So, I'm gonna stop the video here. I have no idea where I'm actually at. And, next time we'll start off at the creepy steeple. Just for some room, so see you guys then.